Welcome to another InvoiceBerry tutorial. Today we're learning how to add an item to your InvoiceBerry account. Just head over to the items page and click on New Item. Then you can enter an item name, for example, web design, wireframes. You can enter a price, a quantity, select any taxes that might apply to that item, and enter an item description. Then press the Add Item button and the item has now been added. You can also do that while creating an invoice. For that, head over to the Invoices page, click on New Invoice, and as you select items here, this is our new item, you can click on New Item and add the item here. That's it.